When you think of a kit car, what do you think of? A Westfield? Or some exotic machine like this that's waiting to rip your face off? Matt and Simon have had a handful of kit cars between them, so when Matt messaged the Crap Car Collective WhatsApp group to tell us of a rare kit car that's come up for sale, should we buy it? Well, yeah, the obvious answer is yes. But what exactly is this mysterious beast? Rumour has it that only 12 were built and the prototype was scrapped. Ladies and gentlemen, I introduce to you the Langridge Navajo. Don't worry, we hadn't heard of it either. The Navajo was built between 1984 and 85 by race car builder Alan Langridge in his Image Race Cars workshop at the Super Shell building on the Goodwood grounds and just next to the track. A basic kit consisted of a MIG welded and zinc plated monocoque with a fiberglass bonnet, windscreen and all the necessary mountings, brackets, fixings, nuts and bolts. It was based on the ADO 16 platform and cost £995. Whilst we were waiting to collect the car, we did some googling and we found very little, apart from Maximum Mini, who have photographs of 10 of the 12 cars built. I've done a vehicle check on all of them, and 2 are no longer on the DVLA database, and the rest are on Sawn. Although digging a bit deeper, we did find the July 2022 issue of Irish Vintage Scene magazine with what may be the only roadworthy Navajo
in the world.
Our Navajo was bought by the previous owner in 2011 and they hoped to restore it, but that never happened, so they decided to pass it on to someone who will. So the restoration will happen on future episodes of the Crap Car Collective. But today's question is, will it start? And to answer that, I hand you over to Ryland Dransfield. So what do you know about this? When was the last time it ran?
I don't know a great deal about it. It's Matt's new toy that he's picked up for some unknown reason. We have done some preliminary inspection already. We know it does crank over. We're just going to see if we can get it to fire so that we have an idea of how much the engine needs rebuilding or not. We are going to do it on brake cleaner because we've no petrol, and hopefully it'll work. Oh, yeah.
Do you know if you've got a spark yet?
We will have when I connect this.
Quality connection there, right?
Quality connection. Someone's been trying this before and it weren't me. Stick your finger in there, Mike.
No.
We've got no spark. Yes, there's a spark.
Another battery.
I've got one somewhere. Oh, that's even better, that battery. Why fire's warm.
Oh.
Yeah.
That you got for $1,000.
Yeah, we can.
I can't. I'd feel.
It should not be flat, that battery.
Oh.
Cap.
And say when?
Yeah, start up, you're alright.
And this is making.
Try again.
Ready?
Yep.
Missed the flames.
Almost. Didn't do bad, it ran for what, 10 seconds?
No, less.
Oh, I was being optimistic, thanks. There's no need for that sort of negativity around here.
I think the fact that it was running at all is positivity.
Well, I think it is as well. Yeah, I don't think that's too bad, really.
No.
Shame we got no fuel.
You got no fuel?
We got no petrol.
Declan.
We put it in Declan's car, didn't we, last week?
Oh yeah. You got any tube? Siphon
Yeah,
some
we
out?
can siphon some out. We can just go get some.
I've got some kart racing fuel outside my house.
The flames will be good.
They will be really
Those
good.
are really good, look there.
Proper stuff is that.
See if, Simon's not going to miss it since there's no engine in it.
Say it again.
Say it again.
I think you go for Metro.
Or the Green Rover.
Go on.
Ready?
Yeah. Come on.
a Mini or something. He must have.
No, he hasn't come down in his Mini though, has he?
Just don't. As it
Rubbish.
fumes.
Yeah. It's
Is it a fiberglass body on this?
Yeah.
Oops.
Thanks for watching. See you next time for some more crap car content.